the most like elite performance engineers, i.e. pure engineers, don't necessarily have the kind of skills that you need in a big tech company. This is where I think a lot of the kind of confusion comes in on Twitter, where people are like, 11 milliseconds is fast. No, it's slow. No, it's fast. The hard part about working in a big tech company, very little of that is about being able to do really strong pure engineering work and being able to, get something down from 11 milliseconds to 1 milliseconds. That can be useful. There are times when that's huge leverage to be able to do that. But most of the hard things you do at a big tech company are more about being able to understand and navigate large systems. I mean, like systems with 10 interacting code bases, each of which is like 5 to 15 million lines, stuff like that, where it's just the sheer volume of like logic, and not just the volume of logic, but the volume of features that like interact with each other. So like if you have a simple app, you build a feature, that's great. But any kind of large company thing is like there are these cross-cutting features that you have to think about every single time you build anything. So for instance, if you have 10 user types, any feature you build, you have to think, can these 10 user types interact with it? What happens if it's a feature that one user can do to another? What happens about the user interactions? If the entire product is deployed, on cloud, but also sometimes on premise, or sometimes, in like EU data residency situations, like can your feature survive all of those situations? And then you could list 15 things like that, and they all interact with each other. And that's where the difficulty